Hello students, now let me discuss the next important element, that is so called as objectives of cost accounting. So these are the some of the points of objectives of the cost accounting, and let us go through all those points. The first important point is that ascertainment of a cost. Ascertainment of cost is nothing but measurement as well as identification of the cost. It literally means that how much cost that is incurred so as to produce any type of a product, that is going to be ascertained. It means that we are going to calculate the cost per unit of a product, and apart from that, with the help of the cost accounting, we are going to calculate the cost department wise, unit wise, as well as process wise. Cost is going to be ascertained, and for the sake of ascertaining the cost of the any product, we are going to do the classification of the cost into direct cost, indirect cost, controllable cost, uncontrollable cost. Like this we are going to make a proper classification, and we are going to do the measurement of a cost. That is the first important objectives of cost accounting. And second thing is that fixing selling price of product. So this is also one of the most important objective of the cost accounting. Cost accounting helps to the management so as to fix the selling price of the product at which it can be sold in the market. And as we all know that the today's market is so dynamic, and many factors are going to influence on our company product. And if there is sudden rise in the price level, no customer will come forward and prefer to buy our company product. That is why the price level truly depends on cost of the product. Why? Because the selling price, that what we are speaking, is a combination of cost as well as the profit. And whatever the profit that we are going to earn, that truly depends on the cost aspect, cost element. That is why if we are going to incur more cost, when the cost is going to be incurred more, automatically the selling price will be more. It gives the way for the sudden increase in the price level. That is what we mean as inflation. Automatically it is a burden on the customer not to prefer our company product. That is why the company must be very careful with respect to the elements of the cost. Why? Because if a company wants to improve the profitability of the business, fixing the selling price is one of the effective decision which is with the management of the company. That is why management by all the times has to take proper actions so as to fix the selling price of a product. That is the second important objectives of cost accounting. And third thing is that preparation of a budgets. So this one, you know, in every business organization they are going to prepare a number of budgets are going to be prepared, and the intention behind preparation of the budget is that they want to make a comparison between the actual cost as well as the standard cost, and they are before only they are going to fix the standard cost, so that standard cost must be compared with the actual cost so incurred in favor of the product. And if there is any kind of a rise, they can take the proper corrective action. That is why, so as to monitor the cost aspects, the cost accounting is very important. So that is why they are going to prepare the budgets. The reason is that they want to determine the standard cost, and second thing is that they can make a comparison between the standard cost as well as the actual cost, and third thing is that they want to take corrective measures, corrective actions And fourth thing is that they want to minimize the cost. For that, they are going to prepare a number of the budgets. And next thing is that cost control and the cost reduction. So strictly speaking, within the accounting literature, these are the two important techniques which are going to be adopted by every organization, and both these elements are having a different relevance. One is cost control, another one is the cost reduction. What is cost control? Cost control is nothing but a controlling or regulating the total cost of the product. How are you going to regulate the total cost of the product? By preparing budgets. In that budget, we are going to well determine the standard cost to be incurred to manufacture any kind of product, and that standard cost is going to be compared with the actual cost, so that if there is any deviation, we can take corrective actions. That is so called as the cost control. And one more important concept is cost reduction. Reduction in the sense reducing as well as minimizing cost per unit of a product. Whereas the cost control is focusing on the total cost, cost reduction is focusing on the CPU, cost per unit of the product. And in the cost control, you are going to prepare the budgets, and we are going to compare standard cost with the actual cost. But whereas in case of the cost reduction, we are going to adopt and implement effective techniques, effective methods, effective practices. Our intention is that cost per unit must be minimized, and if suppose we are going to incur any kind of the unnecessary expenses, those must be avoided, those must be minimized. Why? Because when we are going to minimize the unnecessary expenses, we can rightly rectify, we can rightly minimize the cost per unit. Automatically the company's profitability is going to be rightly being increased. That technique is so called as the cost reduction. So that is the fourth important objectives. And last thing is that it helps for decision making. As we know that it is not only the financial accounting, now it is the role of cost accounting, which is very helpful, which is very beneficial to the management for the sake of taking decisions, and they can take the decisions with respect to fulfilling any kind of objectives of the organization, making a systematic financial planning, and apart from that they can take make or buy decisions. Apart from that, they can take shut down or operate at a loss. Apart from that, they will take decisions so as to increase the profitability of the business organization. Like this, n number of decisions are going to be taken based on costing information. That is why it is the major role of the cost accounting is that it is going to provide the costing information to the management so that they can take the effective decisions. So all these are the important objectives of the cost accounting. Please go through the discussion. Thank you.